Okay, you have reached 50 subscribers. You're able to go live on YouTube. Congratulations. Or maybe you're somebody who's thinking about going live or streaming, and you want to think about what backgrounds, or you want to know how to create the backgrounds. So that's what we're going to do today. I recently hit 50 subscribers, and one of my personal goals is to go live. And what I want to do is for that to be interactive, where we can create projects together. So I want to make a Twitch background or an OBS background, whatever it is that you're using. So let's get into it. First, I went to canva.com and I hit create design, and then just type in Twitch overlay. So even if you're not using Twitch, this is more about the dimensions. And this should fit any of your streaming platforms. So I'm going to be using it for OBS specifically. So these are some that we just did, but if you go into this tab, you can see that there's plenty of different design options. So let's just use this one so I can show you. So now we have this kind of already pre-set up for us, which is nice, and we're only going to have to change a few things. So the first thing I want to do is add my channel name. So I'm going to add Carolina Canva Crew. It's a little bit too big, so I'm going to reduce it to make it fit a little better. I will keep the live chat and the webcam. I'm going to change this down here to Lauren, and you can just do that by double clicking it. I don't feel like this alien was very welcome. If there's something you want to change, just go into elements. I had searched icon, and I found this little guy who I felt was a little bit more welcoming. So that's where I put him. Now for these other links, for follow, I will probably put my TikTok channel. Subscribe will be my YouTube channel. Donations, you can put something like, hey, coffee fund, have coffee with me, put your Cash App, Venmo, whatever you want there. And then for this about me, I'll probably link it to a playlist. So the first thing is, if you're going to have to make sure that you embed the URLs in these. And so you do that by right-clicking and selecting link. So let me grab the link here. If you go to the YouTube channel, if you want a link for an actual playlist and not just your channel, hover over that, right-click, and click Copy Link Address. And then you head back over there, and that's what you'll put in your link. And we'll take them directly to that playlist. Now for the YouTube subscription, I did find out one little neat trick, and that's if at the end of your URL, which would usually cut off here after crew, if you put the question mark sub underscore confirmation equals 1, what that will do is actually prompt that person to subscribe to your channel. So it does bring it to your channel, but it also gives them a prompt. So I'll show you here what that kind of looks like. I'll also put it in the description box for you. If you wait just a minute here, it will pop up confirm channel subscription. So by adding that at the end, it will give you that option. So I'm going to link that there. So if anybody in the stream clicks on that, they'll be able to do that. So you can just go and finish doing all of that. So once you're done, now I will also put the link that I'm using for the OBS. I'm using the OBS project. So we'll go here, click share, go to download. You'll download it as a PNG. Okay, so once that's done, you want to open up your streaming software. So for this, I have OBS. Now I just downloaded it today. I'm not, extremely familiar with everything, so I just wanted to take you through the process as we're kind of learning. But here there's a place called Sources, and this is how you're going to get your overlay to go in there. You click the plus button, you go to Browser, and then you're going to name it. So I'll name it Overlay Test 2. You can name it whatever you want. Then you're going to click OK, and it's going to take you here. If you have a browser source, this is where you would put it. But for us, we have a local file, and so we would browse that and add it here. I should have downloaded that. Let me just go back so we can do that really quickly together. Okay. Now we'll go back here. We'll browse. I'm going to go to my downloads folder because that's where that is. And click open. And then you want to make sure that you do have the right dimensions. So look, 1920 by 1080. And then you'll type them in here. And then put whatever settings you want for that. And then you click OK. And then here it is, and you can find it in your sources. So you can just change those overlays that you want. So I hope this was helpful. If you are getting ready to go live, I wish you the best of luck and the most success, and I hope everybody has a beautiful day.